Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Why am I wearing red today? Well, it is Valentine's Day, and I'm going to do a quick video for Valentine's Day because it is Valentine's Day, and I kind of forgot to do this video, so I want to get it up there right away. So, here's some Valentine's Lego that I have, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's kind of Valentine's related, but we have this like little cube thing here with a heart on the top, and it basically opens up to reveal a heart. Put it that way so you can see it actually. Yeah, so it has a little heart, and they're really easy to make. They're just these little pieces here, the 2x2 with the Technic hole pin rounded on the top. So, and you just snap two of them together, and voila, you have a heart. This is just a little box with some side pieces on it that you can attach the heart to, like that, or other minifigs or whatever. And it's just a little box with a couple little studs on the top to hold the cover on, and of course the 90-degree angle 2x2s keep that as well taut, and little heart on the top. So just wanted to share that one with you because that's relatively cute. And then we have the older version of the cake topper, the wedding cake topper with the bride and the groom. And of course this is Lego on it. Now this has got like a cardboardy foam base, or yeah, it's cardboardy foam, but it's almost a plasticky base, so it's hard to tell what it is. This is cardboard, of course, and then the centerpiece comes out that you build this and put it on the centerpiece, and it has double-sided tape there that you can stick it to, but I didn't stick it to that because I didn't want to use it for that. And, you know, if you want to use it for a cake, well, that's the whole idea, is to put this on and then put that on a cake, because it's a cake topper for a wedding, if you're so inclined to have a Lego style cake topper thing going on for your wedding. I think it would be kind of cool. Friends of mine did that. So we also have, these wrote a few years ago, but I decided to pull them out and share them with you. This is the Lego Star Wars Valentine's cards, and they were out by Hallmark. There was 8 of 4 designs, so there's 32 cards in all. And basically it says, Yoda, Valentine's Day it is. And I've waited a long time, Boba Fett. There's only one thing more powerful than the Force, that is Luke. And it is useless to resist. There is no escape, and that's Darth Vader. So that's what they look like there. So, you know, if you have one of them, you can surely give them to your Valentine. I think they'd be kind of cool. I'd love to get a Lego Valentine. I think it'd be awesome, actually. So that's that. And last but not least, well, I do have a heart. I do have a bigger heart that we built, but it's not around. It's somewhere. I don't know where it is. But these guys will suffice, because they have hearts on their shirts, because it's I love Legoland, I love Orlando, and I love New York. And yes, I got these at the Lego stores in Legoland, Florida, and Orlando. And that was the Orlando one at Disney, and this one here in New York, I got that at the Rockefeller Center Lego store. So that's where I've collected those, and I think they're pretty cool to have. And you know, the more you can collect, the better, I guess, from all the different stores. So that's just a thing I do now. If I can get them from the different places I go, I'll get them. So that's about it. Just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day to all you Bricksters out there. So happy Brickentine's Day. Enjoy your day. And to your special someone, give them some Lego. Don't eat chocolates. It's overrated. Talk to you again soon. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.